Hi guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank y'all so much for dropping in on this video. As you can see here, I got Happy Mail. And I got Happy Mail from our friend Jess Plans and Crafts, and I'm going to link her channel. I want to start this video by apologizing to Jess because what you see here does not represent everything that Jess sent me. The things that Jess sent me in a Happy Mail, just the long and the short of it is this. Recently, my honey and I did a mini reno on my desk area here in SHEDNANIGANS, but in that we had to move a lot of things out. Jess's Happy Mail was one of those things that got combined in a big box of different things. And so in that transition, I wasn't able to piece together everything that Jess sent, but it was all lovely and I love it. And I've even put the card that she made me was so beautiful, and I put it in my correspondence journal. But today we're going to concentrate on these things that she did send. Jess, as you can see, is a beautiful card maker. Look how cute this card is. I absolutely love it. Look at her little, this is her Paper Therapy Crafts Company, handmade by Jessica S. These are all her links, Etsy and IG. And then she even has a QR code. I guess it's not going to, hopefully you can see that. I'll make sure and link her other socials on there so you can go follow her. Then I want to show you this. She sent me some paper dolls. Here's Kathy. Here's Kathy. Here's Bob. Bob in his underwear. Here's Connie. And then look. Carrie, even spelled the same. And then she sent me all, y'all, look at all these clothes. I'm just tickled with it. I'm so tickled. Now, let's get to this. In Jess's note to me, she said she found this Fisher-Price record player. It was in really rough shape. Really rough shape. She took the time to scrub this thing down, y'all. Like scrub, elbow grease and all. Jess, bless your heart. Jess saw me several months back now. I did some pictures at a thrift store that I visit on a regular basis. They had a Fisher-Price record player. They wanted more than I wanted to spend on it. And so weekly, I would do this, and it lasted about 3 or 4 weeks, where I'd go back to, because it was my weekly stop, I'd go back to this thrift store, and they would show this record, and I'd take a picture. The record player was still there. The record player was still there until it was not there anymore. So it was just like a little journey that you guys took with me. When Jess said when she saw this record player, she knew it had to come to me. And so not only did she package all of these things up for me and more, the box, I wish I would have gotten a picture of the box that she sent it all in. The box was decorated so beautifully with coordinating papers. And they were pink in hue, pink and lavenders, and some darker coordinating browns. It was just a lovely pattern, and she put it all together just for me. And so, Jess, I can't thank you enough for the time, the effort, the energy, the monetary investment that you did in all of this for me. I am truly not worthy. But I am so appreciative. This, you will see this record player whenever because I did a video on my mini Rennie and, kind of showing you what SHEDNANIGANS looks like today. I now have a shelf, an additional shelf where some of these treasures will live. And so you will see this in that video. Jess, thank you again so much, my friend. I appreciate you more than I can say here in this video. But I do want you to know that it is meaningful to me what you did for me, the thought that you put into this, from wrapping the package that it came in to everything that was included to your beautiful cards that you make. Guys, if you would, go give Jess a follow and subscribe to her channel, and let's support let's support her growth here on YouTube. Thank you all so very much. And remember what I always say, I do hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as I'm going to have using these paper dolls and looking at my vintage Fisher-Price record player from Jess. Thank you so much. We'll chat soon. Bye.